Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 10th of June, 2024. Indian equity indices ended lower in the volatile session on June 10th with Nifty below 23,250. The Sensex was down 203.28 points or 0.27% at 76,490.08, and the Nifty was down 31 points or 0.13% at 23,259.20. Top losers on the Nifty included Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Wipro, M&M and LTI Mindtree, while gainers were Ultratech Cement, Grazim Industries, Hero Motocorp, Cipla and Power Grid Corp. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of GODAWARI Power and IPAT climbed nearly 12% to scale a record high of 1,088.65 rupees on June 10th after the company announced plans to consider a share buyback at its upcoming board meeting on June 15th. If approved, this will turn out to be the company's second share buyback in a time span of merely 2 years. In the previous buyback that it carried out, GODAWARI Power and IPAT had bought shares worth up to 250 rupees crore through the tender offer route. In a share buyback, the company purchases its own shares from shareholders. It's considered a tax-efficient method to give cash back to investors. By buying back shares, the company decreases the number of shares in the market, which can increase the stock's value. Shares of WARDWIZARD Innovations and Mobility Limited surged 20% to hit the upper circuit after the company's recent announcement about securing a substantial order worth $1.29 billion, 10,768 rupees crore, from Beulah International Development Corporation, a Philippines-based firm. WARDWIZARD Innovations is an electric vehicle manufacturing company with a market capitalization of 1,360 rupees crore. The EV maker is listed on BSE. As part of the recent deal, WARDWIZARD will supply electric two-wheelers and three-wheelers in both commercial and passenger segments. Additionally, the company will also develop four-wheeler commercial vehicles for the Philippine market. Beulah International Development Corporation is a leading full-service business integrator specializing in sustainability and renewable energy. This partnership supports the Philippine government's public utility vehicle modernization program, led by the Department of Transportation. Shares of Heritage Foods skyrocketed 10% to hit a 52-week high of 727.35 rupees on June 10th after a large deal worth 319.60 rupees crore took place on the exchanges. Around 44 lakh shares, making up a 4.8% stake in the company, changed hands on the exchanges in a large deal. The transaction was executed at an average price of 725 rupees apiece, a premium of around 10% from the previous close. With the large deal, volumes in the counter also shot up as 2 crore shares changed hands on the bourses so far, manifold the one-month daily traded average of 35 lakh shares. KEC International share price gained 5% in the opening trade on June 10th after the company secured new orders of 1,061 rupees crore across its various businesses. The company's transmission and distribution business has secured orders for T&D projects in India, East Asia Pacific and Americas, including transmission lines and substation order from a reputed private developer in India, 2, additional order for a transmission line in Malaysia, and 3, supply of towers, hardware and poles in Americas. Its railways business has secured orders in the technologically enabled conventional segments in India, including gauge conversion, made an order for composite gauge conversion works, 2, power supply system for metro, setting up of power supply system, including receiving substation, high, and 3, voltage cabling and associated civil works, from Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation. SR Shipping Limited in daily time frame is trading around 37.50 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 4.601 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 31.17, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 71.49. Intense Technologies Limited in daily time frame is trading around 148.86 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 821.508 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 118.70, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.42. Unionfo Telecom Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 39.30 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 559.517 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 33.28, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 68.36. For the stock recommendation we have, UPL Limited looks good and can be bought at 552 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 530 rupees and a target of 575 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.